My name is Stephanie Saylor, and this is a visual phasing workshop. We will be discussing downloading raw DNA data from family tree DNA. First, you need to sign into your family tree DNA account. Since you have the opportunity to test multiple types of your DNA, you need to find the correct type of DNA to download. To download your autosomal DNA results, you want to go under the Family Finder tab, and you will be given different selections under Family Finder, which will allow you to manipulate those results for autosomal DNA and xDNA. At the bottom of the Family Finder category, click Download Your Raw Data. You will be given different selections to choose from. You will want to click Build 37 Raw Data Concentrated to download your autosomal DNA results as well as your xDNA results. Go ahead and explore the Family Tree DNA site and download your raw DNA data.